ugly dog.
Why?
Because it's cute. Just put it in your mouth. Okay, no, you can't get on your knee. You can't get on your legs. Get back on your knees and crawl to me.
Oh.
And then kiss my feet.
What?
What?
What? No.
What? No.
What?
And you have to crawl, at least crawl.
What?
Crawl.
No, it's not your nickname.
It's
No, it isn't.
I'm crying.
Come here, Aaron. No, bring it to me. Okay, let go. What? No. Oh, Kevin's nickname is Chode.
Rafa, it's a joke. Just kidding.
What's that again?
Aaron, say Chode.
Chode.
Say, Kevin, you have a Chode. Say it. Say Chode. Say, Kevin, you have a Chode.
Can we have the chode?
Good job, Aaron. You're allowed to stay in my room now and play fetch.
Wait, Brittany.
What do
Throw
it?
it. Brittany, throw it.
Go get it.
Bark!
You're supposed to bark, Aaron. Ruff, ruff, ruff.
I got it.
Okay.
Put in your mouth?